Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Jack with Sioux Falls Dent Repair. Just wanted to give you a live preview of how the web page is going. So I talked a little bit about this yesterday with the hail damage landing page that we're using for advertising. Basically, when you get a hold of us for any type of hail damage repair and you get on our Google AdWords or any type of thing like that, this is what you're going to see. So this is kind of the page as far as I'm trying to get as far back as I can and see it reasonably. Anyways, so this is kind of what you're going to be looking at. So we've got a couple, different bullet points here: insurance approved, certified dent techs, vehicle pickup and drop off, disinfecting and protecting the vehicle. And this is just gonna, just gonna show the customer as far as what we can do for them. I've got an actual picture of a vehicle that we actually looked at, not didn't fix, no, the hell no. But anyways, and then a couple other things that we've got here. And then down at the bottom here, we've got to start the repair process now. So if you get to our website, again, this is the one of our hail damage landing pages. You'll see this live here shortly. Start the repair process now. So you enter all your contact information along with, have you contacted your insurance company yet? So what that's going to do is after you submit all your information there, thanks man, thanks Bones. After you submit the information there, it's going to actually go into our CRM system. That's going to actually automatically message out this exact message. So I'll go ahead and read it because it's hard to see. So thank you for submitting your information to us. At this time, are you looking for just an estimate for your hail damage repairs, or would you like to drop the vehicle off and start the repair process? Sioux Falls Dent Repair. So that's going to automatically text them, as well as there's going to come out an email message within 1 minute. It's a pretty cool system. 1 minute of them messaging that. And then after that, oops, just drug that down. Anyways, after 5 hours, if they don't message back or do any type of reply, it'll automatically reply to them or message them again at about, what time of days or time work, for your hail damage assessment, as well as after 6 hours, it's going to email them again. So, anyways, just kind of a different, a little bit different system here. And after they actually submit their information, so after they go to this form here, and then they click on the they submit it all, it's actually going to come up with their 5 dirty secrets the insurance company doesn't want you to know about hail damage. So a lot of people don't know a lot of these things, and that's why it's the #1 key as far as just helping out the consumer with their hail damage claims. So anyways, if you learned anything about this or enjoyed any of this content, feel free to go ahead and hit the like button here. If you got any questions about anything we did, go ahead and leave them down in the comment section, man. So a lot of this Bones actually was a don't get me wrong, I did quite a bit of this work, but a lot of it, I got to give a lot of props to Dave Streen and his team at dentrepair.com, and also Linh Tang with Beyond Ideas. He's actually helped me up with the CRM system. So if you need any of those things, get a hold of both of them. If you can't get a hold of them or can't find them, whatever, doesn't matter. Message myself, me here at Sioux Falls Dent Repair, or Jack Bucknell, and we'll be happy to help you out with anything like that. Anyways, if you want to learn a little bit more about our services or anything like that, you can dial the phone number there, 605-595-4061, or visit our website at SiouxFallsDentRepair.com. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Have a great Friday, and take care.